Welcome to this Powerline Technician online test walkthrough. If you're preparing for the Red Seal exam or planning to challenge your provincial certification, this guide will show you how online practice tests can strengthen your study plan. Online testing is one of the most effective preparation methods because it mirrors the structure, timing, and question style of the real exam. This walkthrough will help you understand what to expect and how to use online tools effectively. Most Powerline Technician exams in Canada include 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, with around 4 hours to complete them. The questions are practical and scenario-based, reflecting real job site work. An online test typically includes safety, electrical theory, climbing and fall protection, rigging, switching procedures, distribution systems, transmission structures, and emergency response, aligned with the Red Seal occupational standard. Safety scenarios appear first, covering energized lines, lockout and tagging, approach distances, grounding, and first aid decision-making. Electrical theory questions follow, including calculations, transformer principles, phasing, fault current behavior, and load flow, focused on application rather than memorization. Rigging and hoisting questions test knowledge of sling types, working load limits, knots, mechanical advantage, and pole-top equipment handling. Switching procedures are a major part of the exam, including sequencing, isolation steps, communication requirements, and clearances. You'll also see questions on distribution and transmission systems, such as conductors, insulators, hardware, grounding, and structures. One of the biggest benefits of online practice is learning pacing, knowing when to move on, when to review later, and how to manage your time effectively. For structured practice, you can explore tools available at redsealstudyguide.ca, including Q&A books, explanation-based study guides, and timed online tests. These resources help you focus on the right material and track your progress. Remember, this exam isn't about perfection, it's about readiness. Ready to work safely, make sound decisions, and represent the trade professionally. Every practice test sharpens your judgment and brings you closer to certification. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and trust your field experience. Your journey is already in motion. Keep going.